So the way GGives works is that it will allow you to pay a certain amount of money on a specific category over here. So let's say retail. So to be able for us to be able to convert it to GCash, we're actually going to take advantage of another app over here called grocery. And over here, we're simply going to open our wallet. So in the wallet feature, this allows stores to be able to have cashless transactions. So you're just simply going to request for QR over here, which it will provide you. And after you have the QR, you can now simply open your GGives over here, and you're just simply going to use your QR code over here. So the way it works is, if you here, you're just simply going to use QR to scan the code that you have gotten from grocery, and you could select GGives over here. And then you should be able to receive 1K inside of your wallet over here, and then simply transition or send it to your GCash. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.